Okay, come honorable.
Fena kakati amagezi tugasiibidde kuki ku election 2026 buli omu ali ku 2026 twerabidde ebizibu byetuliko kakati 2026 bwenaggwa ate nga tuddayo mu bizibu ebyo byennyini ffe tugamba nti ensi etunule mu bintu ebyo ebizibu ebiriwo kakani ekiseera ky'okukola focus yonna okubeera kuki ku 2026 era tusaba bannayuganda nti baveeyo n'ebitongole nga electoral commission ne human rights commission nabyo biveeyo okulaba nti abantu bategeera rights zaabwe basomesebwa mu civic education ne vote education balyoke basalewo kikyennyini kye beetaagisa okukola mu kulonda naye okulaba nti abantu bagende balonde naye nga tebamanyi balonda byaki tijja kuwa abakulembeze abatuufu.
The problem in Uganda, it's not opposition or government, it's the leadership, the citizens of Uganda, especially those who have gone into leadership position. Instead of going there to serve the people, they have gone there for their stomachs. Instead of using the power for service, they have the power for their own self and stomachs. I want Ugandans to perceive that situation as that. That's why you also, citizens, promote that. Why do you accept to be both? We are poor. I used to live in this country. My father was a peasant. They were poor peasantry people. I had never seen them made into beggars. Senior citizen begging on the sotia. And you are a senior citizen, a respectable person. You Ugandans, by the way, I'm losing interest in you. Defending you is becoming difficult for me.
Very good. I think those are the questions we have.